welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this bomb burgundy curly wig from West Kiss Hair Company, and I'm also going to be kind of, going in detail on how I get my melted lace type of install, meaning what I do to really help my lace, melt into my skin and look very flawless. So let's hop right into it. So this is what the wig was looking like before I plopped her on my head. Like I said, this is from West Kiss Hair Company. The wig did come dyed like this. Here is a look at the inside of the lace. I have little holes from plucking. I don't know if this was like a light brown to a transparent. Regardless, I still had to tint the lace to, match my skin tone. I always tint my lace. I'm using my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I'm using shade 11, and I like to use a little dense brush and just buff that into the inside and the outside of my lace. Doing the inside and outside really does help a lot, in my opinion. And then I go in with a blow dryer to make sure all of that, is dried up, because I don't want to have all that foundation slipping and sliding across my head. Okay, now my lace is nice and tinted. I just quickly adjust the wig straps and plop that hoe onto my head. As you can see, the lace is nice and tinted to my skin. It's already melting, okay, giving y'all wet lace like I said. Next, I just quickly, cut off my ear tabs. I do have a detailed tutorial on like how I cut off all the lace on my wigs, where, I take my time and explain everything that goes into really cutting off your lace. But yeah, so I just cut around my ears to get a really good fit, and we are ready to start, installing the wig. Now I'm going in with these little curved cuticle scissors. I like to use these instead of regular, regular everyday scissors. And I'm just cutting off my lace first. Before, I used to glue the wig down, then cut off the lace. But I found, especially for beginners, cutting off the lace first helps to stick the wig down. Once I've cut off all the lace on that section, I just go in and pull out the first line of hair. This will be like my baby hair. I like doing this as well because I feel like, especially for beginners, it really will help you have something to pull down whenever you're trying to get the lace to stick. So here I'm just using the Got To Be spray, and I like to, for my sideburns, spray under and over the lace, because for me, my sideburns don't stick as easily. I have to do a little bit more work. So once I spray under, I go ahead and spray over. And then using my blow dryer on a warm setting and my rat tail comb, I really make sure I push all of that in, because the key to getting that melted look is to really get the lace to lay flat upon your skin. Now that I've sprayed the lace down on all the sides, I'm just quickly cutting down the baby hairs to be nice and short. I'm going to cut them shorter later when I come back, but it's just to get the hair out of my way. And I'm going to use this elastic band to let the lace lay and simmer, because, you know, swooping my baby hairs causes the lace to lift, and the key to a melted look is no lifting. So I like to just let the lace finish drying and laying before I go in and, you know, do my baby hairs. For my baby hairs, I like to use the Eco Styler gel. I found like this is honestly my favorite to use versus my regular. I used to use the Got To Be gel. I found the Eco Styler really helps me swoop the baby hairs a lot easier without getting all that sticky residue on my forehead, and the baby hairs don't dry as hard as it would normally when I use the Got To Be black gel. I do have a very detailed baby hair tutorial on my channel if you're looking for, you know, more information on how I do my baby hairs. But besides that, I'll come back to you guys once I'm done, you know, swooping the swoops. So I like to go in again and use my elastic band to just help the baby hairs and the lace lay one more time, because that is the key to the melted look. I'm telling y'all, is to make sure you are laying down that lace, okay? Now, while that is laying, I'm going to define my curls, and I have a tutorial coming soon, probably after this video, or maybe I don't know which one comes first, but I do have a tutorial explaining how like I define the curls in all of my wigs to get them popping. But just for a quick little overview, all I have in that spray bottle is literally just water. I didn't even put any conditioner. I usually put conditioner, but for this wig, I don't know, I was being lazy, so I didn't feel like putting conditioner. But I'm just using a spray bottle with water, making sure I'm drenching the hair, and then I'm using my regular paddle brush to just detangle all of that out and scrunching the hair to help activate the curls. I go in with the lighter shade on the Ruby Kisses palette, and I use that to just place it in my part to really help the part pop. And I feel like this really makes the wig look like very like professionally done. And then I just let the hair air dry for like a couple of hours. So the next clip you're gonna see is me with the hair all air dried. And as you can see, okay, she's looking good. She's looking slayed. But as some finishers to really set the look off, I go in with some wax. This is my Care wax stick. This really helps with flyaways and also helps to give like a very smooth finish to the top of the hair. And here I go again with that hot comb. I'm telling you, hot comb, another major key. And I just use that to like press the hair down again and also help me like shape the front of the hair to the way that I like it. And then finally, to just really clean up the look, I'm just cutting off more excess lace that I see, because if there's no hair on it, there's no reason for it to be on there. It's just more lace for you to have to camouflage and disguise. So I make sure I'm trying to cut off as much unnecessary lace as possible to really give me a very, you know, flawless finish. Because I did end up lifting the lace to cut it, sometimes you'll get like some white residue. So what I use is just spray some more Got To Be in my blow dryer to just help, you know, remelt that lace back and remove all that white residue. But yeah, that is basically it. Oh, right here, I'm just adding some more powder because I feel like the lace was still light even after tinting it. I'm not too sure why that is, but I just added some more powder to help it, you know, blend and mesh into my skin. But now I can say we are finally done. it's a lot of extra steps. Some things I kind of just added on to my way, but I feel like all these like extra steps even after the install really do help give you that finished, flawless, melted look that everyone wants to achieve. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you in another one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out, Girl Scouts. Have a great, blessed day.